Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel with another brand new topic, how to speak English like a native speaker. You must be wondering, what's the difference between a fluent English speaker and the English you speak? Why doesn't your English sound fluent? Your grammar is right, you're using almost the same vocabulary, you follow the same dictionary. Then what is stopping you from speaking like a native speaker? The answer is, fluent English speakers use a lot of contractions, formal and informal. When you're using an apostrophe, that's the key for contraction. We can use contractions in informal writing, speaking, and text messages. You can't use these contractions on your college essay graduate paper, but we still use them in a lot of different situations. So in today's video, I'm gonna discuss how to use these contractions. First of all, gonna, which is the contracted form of I am going to. For example, I am going to meet my sister tonight. You may use a contraction here. I'm gonna meet my sister tonight. I'm gonna meet my sister tonight. Gonna is the contracted form of I'm going to. So you may notice that you consume less time than saying I am going to. So this is the purpose of the video. Next here is Lemmy, which is the contracted form of let me. For example, let me speak please. In this sentence, someone is asking the permission to allow him to speak. So the contraction we'll use will be let me speak please. Let me speak please. Instead of saying let me speak please, you may say let me speak please. Next it is nida, which is the contracted form of need a. For example, I need a book. Instead of saying I need a book, you may say I need a book. I need a chocolate, to speak like a native speaker. Next here is outa, which is the contracted form of out of. For example, I'm standing out of the building. Instead of saying out of the building, you may use a contraction outa. I'm standing out of the building. I'm standing out of the building. Next here is Dhanna, which is the contracted form of I don't know. For example, I don't know what she means. You may use a contraction here. I don't know what she means. I don't know what she means. Am instead of them. For example, Selena Gomez in her song Kill with Kindness used a contraction. Instead of saying kill them with kindness, she used a contraction am and said kill with kindness. Kill with kindness. And that's the perfect example of the use of contraction am. Sorta instead of sort of. For example, she is a sort of good singer. You can use a contraction, she's sort a good singer. Next, gotcha, which is the contracted form of got you. For example, I have got you. Instead of saying I have got you, you may use a contraction, I've gotcha. Here you can listen a specific sound of you according to phonetics. Next here is cause, which is the contracted form of because. For example, I did that because I wanted to. Instead of saying I did that because I wanted to, you say I did that because I wanted to. Next here is Hasta. Hasta, which is the contracted form of has to. For example, he has to write an article. Instead of saying he has to write an article, you may use a contraction, he has to write an article. Hasta, which is the contracted form of have to. Instead of saying I have to work, you may use a contraction I have to work. So let's revise all the contractions we used. Dhanna, Lemmy, Nida, Auta, Dhanna, Sarta, Gotcha, Curse, Hasta, Hafta. There are also some contractions with apostrophe. For example, aren't, can't, coulda, couldn't, didn't, doesn't, don't, hadn't, hasn't, haven't, he'd, he'll, he's, he'd, how, I'd, I'll, I'm, I've, isn't, it'll, it's, let's, may have, must have, might have. That's all for today. I hope you guys now have an idea about how to get better at speaking English fluently by using contractions. And I really hope that this video was useful to you and you practiced pronouncing these contractions. Please do let me know in the comments what will you like to learn in the next video and how was the video today. If you really enjoyed the video, then like, comment and share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Till then, take care, God bless you, and may your all dreams come true. Ameen. Allah Hafiz.